Baby girl. It's your kissy birds. I love you. I love you. Oh, where's that face? Where's that sweet face? Oh, she has her pacifier. Yes, she does. It's your kissy birds. It's your kissy birds. Hi. I think she's probably comfortable in what she's in. Hi. Oh, there's a sad little face. What, Thomas?
I think pajamas.
Really? I don't know. I think it's going to be hard for her to be changed right now. Is just asking her to do an unnecessary step. She's uncomfortable. What are you recording, baby? What are you recording, huh? I mean, these are basically pajamas if you put pants on her. No, Thomas. Just put some pants on her. She'll be fine. She's got some nice, comfy pants in there.
Okay.
Middle drawer. No, middle drawer.